Hey, what's up guys? Pucks Tutorials here, and in today's video, I just want to thank my great fans for helping me hit 50 subscribers. You know, I couldn't have done it without you guys. I'd like to thank the Academy and Jesus, because without Jesus, none of this is possible. Every day, I make tutorials for Jesus. Well, not every day, whenever I feel like it, but you know what I mean. And he watches them to help get out of a cave. And yeah, I think I've really helped Jesus get out of that cave that he's in. Anyways, now that I hit 50 subscribers, I got merch now. They're my fingers, these little things right here. If you want any of my fingers, you have to come cut them off yourself, okay? That's all. Thank you for 50 subscribers, and to 50 more. Cheers.